No be small thing o. This governorship election that is coming up, no be small promises the candidates dey roll out o. Both the governors that are on seat that are seeking re-election and the people who wants to take over. No be here we dey the other day. Na im one governor dey promise say if dem go fit re-elect am, say im go create 4,000 jobs for the youth of his state abroad. He go even pay their flight ticket. Go make everybody come shock. Wetin dey happen? What about his state? Now I say make I scroll through the social media lifestyle this evening. Now if be bad, what is going on? Na Dino Melaye na I see where Dino Melaye dey roll out promises of how he go take build the biggest cruise in the whole world. How he go take build 5-star hotel on top of water. Even me, I hear promises, I shock. If all these promises are being implemented, now be say, make I no just talk anything. Make una hear promise from Dino Melaye and make sure you share this video.
Kogi ABC. By the grace of God, we are going to promote tourism. We are going to make Kogi State a tourist attraction to the whole world. We are going to develop the best plateau you have in sub-Saharan Africa, in Mount Patti. We are going to put cable cars on Mount Patti. We are going to develop Mount Patti, and it will become a place of envy to all countries of the world. We are going to promote tourism on water. Between Natako and Jamata, we shall have boat clubs. We will invite partners from the whole world to provide infrastructure on PPP, on build, operate and transfer. We will build 3-star hotel in water. We will build 5-star hotel, and this will attract, investors from all over the world. We are going to have the best cruise in the world. Today, if you go to Miami, there is 4 hours, 15 minutes cruise by the beach. From Lokoja to Onitsha, it is 8 hours cruise. It is the farthest and longest cruise in the world. We shall advertise on BBC, Al Jazeera, and CNN to announce that the farthest air cruise in the world is in Lokoja. We shall, through tourism, improve our IGR without taxing poverty. We are not going to go to a mechanic shop. We are not going to go to Meshai and begin to place burden on them. We will think outside the box. We will develop our education and reform our curriculum. ICT and technology will be introduced to all schools in Kogi State.